Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find where the fuse guys for the keyless entry is located, or also known as RF receiver fuse guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. It should be the same guys for this generation Hyundai Sonata from year 2009 to year 2015. Before we start, let me tell you, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Also, another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. You ask why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. The plan guys actually is to make at least 200 free electrical videos, diagnostic videos published on this channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 300 mechanical videos fixing and taking the whole car apart. We'll show you how to fix almost anything on it on our main YouTube channel, How to Repair guys. Okay, this channel right here guys, you can see it, How to Repair guys. We have helped more than 100 million people. Check it out, we have information that can save you guys thousands of dollars. So this is it guys, this is the Hyundai now that we have, that Sonata. What we need to do, okay, you need to come to that fuse box that we have right here. That's a fuse box. You need to open it. How? Press that button here, that notch here, towards each other and pull up. Okay, just like that. Great. Next we need to get that fuse puller, just squish and pull it out. Okay, just like that. Next, what we need to do, we need to get actually inside the vehicle guys, okay, to be able to find, okay, that fuse that we need to replace for the keyless entry or RF receiver fuse guys. You need to come right here, okay, and you can see that's the fuse box that we'll be working on. Okay, let me see how it's better, because otherwise I think it's too bright. Need to adjust actually the light a little bit. Perfect. So go ahead, open it. That's what you have inside. The fuses are right here guys. Now there is a specific fuse that we need to check, and that fuse guys, if you look at it, okay, it will be this 10 amp fuse, okay, that we have right there. This 10 amp fuse, that's the one that we need to check. But how you guys remove and replace that fuse? Okay, pretty simple. Let me pull it out and I will explain guys. When you know what to do, practically takes you only a few minutes to do it, a few seconds. So this is the fuse assembly, that's what it looks like. How you pull it out, you need to grab here, pull out a little bit, then get your fingers on these notches, push them in, pull out, and it comes out. This is the 10 amp fuse that we need to check. Now you can simply just slide it out, replace it if you need to, and put a new one. Pretty simple. Most of the times you can tell if it's burnt or not by looking at it, but I'll recommend, we have a special video that explains how to test the fuse in just a few seconds, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's important to test them. Why? Because sometimes you think you have a good fuse, you put it in and you still have the problem, and what happens guys, you start putting more money, time into your car, it's not worth it, and later you realize that it was actually a bad fuse. It happened to us in the past as well. So always check them to make sure they're good, or replace them. If you want to see where to get cheap fuses from, I'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. When you're ready, just push it in, okay, and don't forget to install your cover here. That's the only thing left now. Alright. Oh, almost. Great. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.